Hi everyone, my name's Anne-Marie. Welcome to a new episode of Cup TV brought to you by www.craftsuprint.com. So in this episode we're going to look at a gorgeous kit from Susan Heanes, and it's cup 109773_846, and it's called Diamonds Are a Girl's Best Friend 7x7" mini kit. You get 3 sheets in the kit and it's to fit a 7x7" square card. You get decoupage inserts and it's a really pretty kit. Now we're going to look at the 3 sheets that you get included, but I'd like to point something out because sometimes in a kit you get an extra sheet which is the card front. Now the card front image is the design that you see when you purchase the kit, and more often than not it will show how the card looks when it's completed and then what you actually get inside the kit. So it's kind of like a shop window for that kit. It shows you what there is in it. So when you download your purchase, sometimes when I'm saying there's 3 sheets in this kit, it'll show there's 4, but it's actually the card kit front, and it's something that's designed just to help you see what's in the kit. So we've got 3 sheets in this kit, and the first sheet is the main card image. We've got an extra layer, we've got a smaller image for a gift card, gift tag, and we've got sentiments and decoupage. Our next layer is more decoupage and more of the smaller images for the gift cards, gift tags, and the layers for the decoupage. A blank sentiment so that you can add your own sentiment, and then we've got an insert as well. So we'll go ahead and make the card, and then you can see exactly how it looks when it's being created. I've got a blank 7x7" square white card base, and I'm just going to turn it over, and I'm going to take one of the small images that I've got flat double-sided tape on. Now you could use these, as I mentioned, about gift tags, gift cards. I'm going to just add this on the back of my card, just towards the bottom, and I think it's just going to tie the card in nicely. You could also use it as an envelope seal. When you pop your card in an envelope, you could seal it with that. I've cut out the actual card insert, and I've got flat double-sided tape on the back. So I'm going to peel the back of the tape away, and I'm just going to pop this in the middle of my card, like that. There we go, and press it down. And it's a really pretty insert already. So you've got a nice amount of room to write your message, or maybe you want to stamp something or use one of the extra sentiments that's in the kit to add to the centre. I just think it's beautiful and it ties the whole card together. So then we can go for the card front. I've cut out the main card image. Again, I've got flat double-sided tape on the back of it, so I can peel the back of the tape away. Pop the main card image in the centre of our card and then press it down. Then I can start building the decoupage. So my first layer is slightly smaller than the actual card front. I've got 3D foam on the base, and I can just pop that on the front, and the decoupage will build up layer by layer, and every layer is slightly smaller than the last. 3D foam again on the next layer, so we can pop that on. Then I have the flowers that I've cut out, 3D foam on the back, so we can add these just to the corner of our card. Just want to be able to see them, make sure I'm marrying up the design in the right place. Our next layer for the flowers, again 3D foam on the back, there we go, and the last layer, again 3D foam on the back, there we go, and I have a sentiment as well that I've cut out, and it says wishing you a very happy birthday, and I'm thinking of putting that roughly about there, and I think that'll work nicely. And that is our card finished. So we've got our beautiful card front with our decoupage and the insert that matches perfectly. Such a pretty card, such a pretty kit. And you can see any of Susan's designs by searching for Susan Heanes on Craftsuprint. And I'd like to remind you of the cup number as well. And it's cup 1095773_846. And I would just like to say thank you so much for watching. We shall see you next time.